Crafty Mulligan. My simple levitation device. It's all been done before on YouTube, but I hope you'll watch some of this video. I first seen it on cable beyond 2000. That show was on years before the year 2000, probably the early 90s or before. I was intrigued for years on how it was done. Years later, I seen it on the first how it was done on Nuts and Bolts magazine. The show Beyond 2000, they explained it by using infrared and servo type circuit. So I tried with operational amplifiers and a send receive infrared diodes. That circuit worked, but I didn't use it with the levitation device. I seen the video. Some people were using a light and cadmium sulfate cell. It was also printed on different electronic magazines. I built many circuits and I wanted to understand of doing all kinds of projects. So when I find the principle on a working design, I shelved it. So this device I built can be improved, giving more voltage to the relay, give bigger gaps in the object magic. This device was a kit in nuts and bolts. It used a Hall effect sensor, magnet relay coil, H-bridge motor control. My project is still old, close to 15 years ago built. A lot of developments came along. Although I got mine in a kit, I tried to gather all the parts on my own. But at the time, I was told that certain part, Hall effect sensor, you had to buy a lot of them to get one ordered. So I went with the kit, but I'd rather build my own project. So I could experiment easy, so I could build more, and if something broke, it would not matter. I saw some better projects on YouTube, and you can get Hall effect sensor from a fan motor, stepping type I believe, maybe out of an old hard drive. I would like to have a bigger electromagnet on some better gap performance. But in this video, this is my starting point at last.